Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set File Explorer to open this PC instead of quick access in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To set this PC on File Explorer instead of quick access, open File Explorer. Look, by default in File Explorer, quick access is opened and quick access folder are here. Now you can change the default behavior from here. Click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Then click on options. Here in folder options, click on general tab and you will find the first option, open File Explorer 2, and by default home is selected. Click on the drop down menu here and select this PC. Now click on apply and then click on OK. Close File Explorer. Again open File Explorer. Look, now this PC is set as default to show in File Explorer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.